206 Jamaicans were recognized this morning for their contribution to the nation at the 2018 National Honors and Awards ceremony at King's House. The list includes Harry Belafonte, who received the Order of Merit for outstanding contribution to music. Among the awardees was Earl Jarrett, the Chief Executive Officer of the Jamaica National Group. He received the Order of Jamaica for his contribution to the banking and financial sectors, public service and volunteerism. Godfrey Dyer also got the Order of Jamaica for his work in the tourism sector. The Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander was given to 34 persons, including trade unionists Granville Valentine and Senator Cavan Gale, Mayor of Montego Bay Homer Davis, Maxine Henry Wilson for her contribution to public service, President of the Jamaica Union of Seventh-day Adventists Pastor Everett Brown, and Winston Barnes.
Veteran broadcaster Winston Franklin Barnes has played a major role in the development of electronic media and its practitioners. He is considered to be among the best radio personalities and musicologists to emerge from Jamaica.
9 Jamaicans got the Badge of Honor for Gallantry. Grace Allen, Kimani Anderson, and Selena Reed were recognized for rescuing residents at the Walker's Place of Safety during a fire, and for saving the lives of 22 infants during a fire at the neonatal unit of the Victoria Jubilee Hospital. Sophia Cameron, Verlin Dowse, and Camille McIntosh were honored. Recognition too for those who rescued 5 adults and a baby who were trapped in a building by floodwaters in St. James: Javon Lewis, Lloyd Nelson, and Arista St. Joy. Corporals Malachi Davis and Omar Wilson of the Jamaica Defense Force also received the Medal of Honor for Gallantry for helping their colleague and engaging the aggressor who shot him in April last year. Woman Inspector Alison Grant Johnson of the JCF also got the Medal of Honor for Gallantry.
When her daughter was held at gunpoint, Inspector Grant Johnson drew her service pistol and contended in a shootout with a gunman, after which she discovered that she had a gunshot wound to her upper right arm.
And in this instance, I am sure that not only her training came very, very useful at that point, but her mother's instinct